afternoon, everyone. We are here at RAI 2024 and we are having Mr. Abhishek Singh from Solera Technologies with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about their recent innovations and developments.
Good evening, friends. I am Abhishek Singh from Solera Technologies. We are based at Jaipur. We are manufacturing junction boxes from last 2 years, and our plant is based at Jaipur. And we are supplying junction boxes to all big and small manufacturers who are making panels for solar panels. Our vision for the next year is we are growing and we will increase our production capacity. Right now we are having 4 gigawatt and we will go for another 4 gigawatt in next 2025. And our new innovations are that we have added junction boxes for TOPCon also, which is 25 ampere, 30 ampere, and we are bringing 35 ampere and 40 ampere also for the higher rated of solar panels.
Okay. So, if we talk about government policies, they have made some policies for our industry. So, what do you think? How they are helping us to grow?
As government policies we talk about, Mr. Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister, he has taken a lot of initiative in renewable energy. Our India is growing for the 20 gigawatt. It has come to now 60 and 70 gigawatt, and in future also it will go for more. And government policies are good for renewable energy. They are putting some restrictions over Chinese players so that they are not able to dump their product in India. This will boost up Indian manufacturing industry also.
Okay. So, specifically, if we are talking about RAI, from how many years you are associated with RAI and how RAI is helping you to grow?
This is the third time we are exhibiting in REI, and REI is a very big platform in India. Now it has become a brand. REI is a brand for solar industry, and it has given a very good business also. New clients come here. They interact with us. We come to know about the new plants, new machineries, new plants which are coming in India, so that it is a very good platform to approach them, and they get to know more about us also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for interacting with us.
Thank you.